AI won't replace your job, but someone who uses AI will. I know this topic has been discussed many times on YouTube, on LinkedIn, but as a creative who has been making a living out of my passion for about 15 years, I just want to throw in a little bit of my opinion to it. I know there's no way one can predict the future. We've seen many people actually fail at it, but I just want to record this video to look back in 5 years down the road and see what actually happened. Being an old school person, or what young people call boomers nowadays, it kind of reminds me back to the days whereby the transition between the analog film camera to digital. Back then, there are many photographers who are actually against it. Many still prefer to use film camera because the fact that the digital camera was not that great just yet. Something that was considered professional camera back then was only 5 megapixel. That is actually not sufficient if you want to make a large print for advertisement, for poster, whatsoever. But we've seen how it has changed a lot in a few short years, and now film camera are only being used by a handful of niche market photographers, be it a hobbyist who are simply taking a photo for fun, or someone that are really in a high tier level and people will pay them regardless how much it's cost for them to do, and they're making a name as a big artist. But for most people who are actually making a living out of photography, there is absolutely no way for them to be able to make a living out of a film camera. And most of us, of course, embrace digital photography, and it's not about the quality, but it's about the efficiency. In the past, if you are shooting someone who actually shooting events, takes about a month the final photographs to the client. But nowadays, most professional photographers can actually submit the photographs within 3 working days. In my company at ACREATIVEALT, we submit all the photographs within the next working day to the client. Sometimes, if the client requested for instant upload, we will do so. Regardless whether someone has a little bit better quality than us, if they can only submit within a month, there's absolutely no way they can actually compete with us. So likewise, next time someone requested an artist to create a digital drawing or whatsoever, they will expect it to be able to deliver it much faster. A traditional artist, in the sense that they are still doing a manual method, doing digital drawing, an example, will not be able to compete with one that are utilizing AI to the full extent and be able to deliver it efficiently and a lot faster. So there is my take on the AI. We as a creative, we definitely need to embrace that, because I still believe that we won't be replaced by AI. But yet, there is absolutely no way for us to compete with other artists that utilize AI to its full extent and make the work much more efficient. I, for one, embrace AI fully. We have utilized certain part of AI in our daily projects, mainly creating mood boards for clients and virtual backgrounds. I'm really excited with the launch of Adobe Firefly. I'm looking forward to utilize it in my company daily workflow. So my fellow creators out there, marketers, business people out there, what do you think? Do you embrace AI? Let me know at the comment below, and thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.